Determining if figures are related by rigid motions. In each part, use the tools to move the solid triangle exactly onto the dashed triangle. If this is not possible, click on Not Possible. So your rigid motions are your translations, rotations, and reflections. So you have tools. Your translation tool in ALEKS kind of looks like this, a circle, I think, with some triangles around it. Excuse me. This one is just to translate or slide. Then you have a rotate tool that looks something like this. I don't remember which way the arrow goes, but it has something like that on the button. And then you have your reflection tools, which looks something like this if you want to reflect or flip it side to side. And then there's also one that looks something like this, I think, if you want to flip up and down, similar to those. Okay, so basically, like if I was I'm trying to move this triangle onto this one, I would probably click my translate tool and take this triangle and just move it over on top of here, so it would look something like this on top of there. And then take my rotate tool and just turn it, right? Maybe slide it a little more if you need to. But the whole point is to use the tools over here and kind of thinking through the process. Okay, I need to just slide it over and use the translate button. Or I need to like turn it just a little bit so that it'll fit onto the dashed figure, or I need to flip it. This one looks like you're going to need to use your slide and your rotate a little bit to turn it a little and then kind of drag it over here so it'll fit there. Now this one right here, see there's I need to move this one over here to the dashed, and this is my short side, okay, and I need to make it fit over there with that short side. So you're gonna have to reflect this one, it looks like. And so it goes the other way, kind of like this. Okay, so you're going to reflect it side to side, and then you're going to have to rotate it a little and move it over and drop it on top of that one. So it looks like this one will use at least 3, right, of your buttons. And it's okay to make adjustments and keep going back to the rotate or back to the translate as much as you need to until you can get the solid one to fit exactly onto this one. If you can never get it to fit, then you just click Not Possible.